Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We would like to have a small talk with our lecturer from Bioteknologi in our campus. He is Mr. Raheel Shahzad. Yeah, he is from Pakistan, and he continued his master and Ph.D. from China. And he said he has been there for 12 years, and now he joined with us in our campus. Yeah, so we were talking about how to get the grade published to this Kampus one. Okay, maybe you can introduce yourself first to
Yeah, my name is Shahzad. Basically, I'm from Pakistan, but I accomplished my master's degree and PhD from China, and then I started working as a researcher for 1 year almost, and then last February I moved to Bandung and joined as a lecturer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is your first time being a lecturer?
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah. Before that, I have a very extensive research experience, not classroom experience.
It's when you have a lot of research, right? Then you try to write some paper on it. So, what is your great experience with it?
Yeah, you know that I have been involved in different kind of projects in China, and mostly in there the collaboration and networking is kind of an important thing. So like I was involved in projects which were the collaborations were from Egypt, from China of course, from Pakistan, from Netherlands, from Germany, and from Japan. So it's quite a great experience, I say.
Is it any special vocabulary used for writing?
Yeah, and you know that the journals are from different audience. Yeah. Some journals are specifically cited, the readers are from America, some are from pure European countries, and some are global. So you have to be very specific, choosing the right journal. And then you have to read their previous volumes, at least 10 papers you have to read from their previous volume. Okay, what kind of tone they use. And then when you deeply analyze their previous issues and volumes, then you can start writing. Yeah, start writing. Yeah.
So you have to select the journal first and read it.
Yes.
And understand.
First, choose the journal. Second, try to analyze the tone of the language they use for that journal. But if you're coming into more practicalities, you also have to see how much data they put in that paper. Is putting too much data, or they require too much data in their paper, and you have very few data, you cannot go for it. It's useless. Because they need a certain level of data, evidence.
I have heard a bit about Q1, Q2, Q3, what that means. I'm still confused about it sometimes.
Yeah, we as a researcher also
yeah?
confused about it. Yeah. But yeah, they are international rankings.
Okay.
And worldwide, they analyze this. So yeah, Q1 is the top ranking, and Q3 like that.
So is it any kind of website to find where is the Q1 for on it?
Yeah, there are online resources you can easily find it out, like the one scopus.com. You can easily, there is options. If you click Q1, it will only show the list of Q1, and even you can select the major, what is your major. So in your major, if you click Q1, it will show only the list of Q1 journals. And Likewise, if you choose Q2, Q3, it will show the list of only Q2 and Q3. You can easily find it out.
We are talking about a little bit about how to publish a great paper into indexed journal and call it international journal. There are several steps on it, of course. For the first time, you need to read it a lot about this journal. Maybe it's all from us, and Mr. Khan will say a bit about words.
Yeah, I will first start with the publication. For the beginner, for a student, it is really hard to start writing directly. They need some mentor. So they can always go back to their teachers, their lecturers in the department. We should ask their help. And I think most of the teachers are good human beings. They will guide you. Yeah. But yes, as a student, you also have to put some effort, because teachers are also busy with all things. And secondly, I would say that it's been a great experience coming to Bandung.
Okay.
Yeah, and as you know, I work for the Department of Bioteknologi, and there are nice students. And I think you should come and see the department first, and you can join our team for the exciting opportunities ahead in the future. Yeah, good luck for the new students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. It's nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you very much for inviting me.